This is the Joyful Peonies Hot foil plate from Pinkfresh Studio. Within the same line, they also have a coordinating layering stencil as well as a die cut and also a stamp. Now you wouldn't use the stamp with the foiled image, but you could use the other two for sure. To foil my image, I'm going to tape it to a piece of cardstock. I like to use hammer mill cardstock, and I'm just using that tape as a bit of a hint. Then I'm going to cut a piece of foil that's just a little bit bigger than my foil plate, slip it between the foil plate and the cardstock with the pretty side of the foil facing the plate. Once I have that complete and ready to go, and I usually do that while my hot foiling machine is warming up. As soon as it's warmed up, I'm going to place that sandwich on the hot foiling machine plate with the die or with the hot foil plate side down, and then add my plates on top of there. There's a little timer button. I'll press that. It blinks until it's ready to go, and once it's ready to go and hot enough, I will put it through my die cutting machine. To do hot foiling, you do need a foiling machine as well as a die cutting machine. You need the heat as well as the pressure. Once I've put it through my die cutting machine, I can take that foil plate off. I usually wait a few seconds because it is quite warm, and then I pull that foil off and I've got a beautiful foiled image. From there, we can color it with stencils, die cut it, or even color it with markers. I love this foil plate.